Is your air conditioner struggling to keep up with the summer heat? If it is not cooling the way it should, this video is exactly what you need to watch. Winnipeg summers can be intense, often pushing your system to its absolute limits. Knowing the signs of trouble early can save you from a complete breakdown and expensive repairs. One of the most frequent complaints we hear is weak airflow. If the air coming from your vents feels like a faint breeze, your system is working much harder than it needs to. What if the air feels strong but it is actually warm? We will dive into why your AC might be acting like a heater when you need it most. Have you noticed ice buildup on your unit? Frozen coils are a major red flag that usually points to restricted airflow or a deeper mechanical issue. The outdoor unit acts as your system's lungs. When it gets clogged with dirt, cottonwood, or debris, it cannot release heat, causing the whole system to fail. Sometimes the fix is simpler than you think. A malfunctioning thermostat or even just a dead battery can make it seem like your entire AC is broken. Low refrigerant levels are another common culprit. If your system has a leak, it will never reach the temperature you set on the wall. Before you call for backup, there are simple checks you can do at home. First, look at your air filter. A dirty filter is the #1 cause of cooling issues. Walk outside and clear any tall grass or leaves away from your condenser. Your AC needs plenty of room to breathe to operate efficiently. While DIY checks are great for maintenance, some problems require a professional touch, especially when dealing with electrical components or refrigerant leaks. At the Duct Stories Heating and Cooling, we have seen it all. Our team specializes in getting your home back to a comfortable temperature quickly and safely. We have helped thousands of families across Winnipeg survive the hottest days of the year with fast, reliable, and honest AC repair services. We are not just here to fix what is broken today. We want to show you how to keep your system running at peak efficiency all summer long. Nobody should have to wait days for a repair when the humidity is rising. That is why we prioritize fast response times for our local neighbors. If you need same-day AC repair here in Winnipeg, give our experts a call at 204-891-7811. We are ready to help right now. Stay cool, stay safe, and let us keep your home comfortable throughout the season. Thanks for watching and take care of your cooling system.